Okay, now that one looks like a bat, but it ain't. Since the stick looked big. Wait, now that looks like a dragonfly. I get confused with dragonflies and moths up close. I don't know why and how. But I guess, yeah. Frog is brown, not green, but yeah. I guess since the leaves are green, counts. Yeah, that's brown. That's brown. And the background kind of has more orange, blue than green. Okay, what is that? And that's creepy. Why do we have to see the most creepiest thing up close? Like, far is better. What is it eating? Okay, now that reminds me of a cockroach that's eating. It looks like a, ew, oh my gosh. Yuck. Eating cockroaches? Oh, now that definitely looks like a praying mantis. I did not know where I thought it would actually look like a grasshopper. I don't know where that came from, but whatever. Okay, yeah, is that a dragonfly or a mosquito? I like do not know. Now we're just looking at a stick, and by the way, that's not green. Oh my god, that's real green, really green. Like only the lizard, gecko, whatever it is, reptile, whatever that is. Okay, yeah, nothing in the background is green except for that one single leaf that barely even sticks out. It's like the least thing that sticks out. Since the crocodile sticks out the most since it's up close. If you can hear that, like in the background, just don't mind it. Is that a snake or a lizard? Because that mostly looks like a. Okay, now why is it flipped? Can you hear that? It's like a juice sound. Okay, I'm not. Why am I even talking about that? Okay, there's brown. Why am I pointing at the most randomest thing? Like, why am I even caring about that thing? Like, there's still green in the background, except the fact that the part where there was a crocodile, there's literally no green except for that one single leaf. Okay, now that looks like a tarantula, like, is it gonna change yet? Yeah, there. Okay, now there is no green at all. And can you see that baby frog under there? It's so tiny. Why is the baby frog brown and not blue? Probably starts off like that and starts changing color after. Or it's probably hiding. Oh, why did I just go silent? Oh, I bet you heard that. I'm just playing with something. Alright, that's a... Okay. All I see is just one line, like lines of green, like barely any green. Most of it is just like brown, black, wheat, like the color wheat, like barely any green in this one. Okay, now that's green. That's better. Even the eyes, except for the people. Wait, is it the people? I forgot. I do not want to see a crocodile sleeping, but whatever. Now, what is that? That is, not what I wanted to see, but okay, that's really creepy. Okay, now what is that? Why is it so long? Okay, now what are these mosquitoes doing? It looks so weird. Oh, it's making a heart shape. Can you see that? Like, if the wings weren't flapping and the wings were down, just like the other one, that would look like a heart. But okay. Okay. Can you see that snake? It's really obvious right now because it's moving. Yeah, same thing. Why is it so? Is that a cicada? Not a cicada. I mean, cicada. What is that from? And that's cool, actually. Frog patterns are so cool. Like, some are even red and blue. Like, that's so cool. That's a snake, right? I can tell by that really skinny neck. That snake is scared. Okay, that's a moth, right? Or a butterfly? Don't know. That's a that pattern looks so good on a frog. Like, that's beautiful on the shell. Can you hear that? Sounds so weird. Okay, anyways, that's really black. Really. That's like, oh my god, I've never seen such a thing. It looks so cool though. That is way cooler. Like a red mosquito, mosquito, dragonfly. I don't know what it is, but that's so cool. Did it just pop? Like poop. Anyways, what is that? That looks creepy. Okay, so far I haven't seen that many creepy stuff, but like seeing a spider makes it worse. And that other thing that I saw, I don't even know what it was, but okay. What is it doing? Is that a frog in its mouth? I don't know. What is that? Okay, now I have a feeling that's a bug.